everyone, welcome to Craft Lab. I'm glad you could join us. Today we're going to make a knitting loom and I'm going to show you how to knit on it. So for this project you're going to need a tissue tube, you're going to need 4 craft sticks, you're going to need 4 buttons, some glue, some duct tape, a pair of scissors, and of course some yarn to knit with. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing to do is take your glue and glue your buttons to the top of your craft sticks like that. Those buttons are going to help your stitches stay on when we get to knitting. Then you're going to take craft sticks and attach them to the tube. You want about an inch of overhang up here at the top. Also, you want to make sure as you're attaching the sticks that you put them opposite each other like mine are. Then it's time to take your duct tape and tape all the way around to make sure that the sticks are nice and secure. And that's it for making your loom. Now you're going to be able to knit on it. So, you're going to take your yarn. You're going to take the end and drop it down the center here. You're going to want to make sure you leave plenty down here because you're going to need to hang on to that. And up here at the top, we have our yarn laying over. That's where we want it. We're going to go the next stick and we're going to go behind and wrap around. We're going to continue just like that, behind, wrap around, behind, and wrap around. Okay, now we're back to the beginning. So we're going to take the yarn, we're going to lay it above this original loop, we're going to take this piece, we're going to pull it up and over. You're going to want to allow some slack in your tail right now so you can get that over. Then you can pull it back down a little bit. Then we can continue on, lay it over, pull up. You see how that button is helping me keep the yarn there where I need it? Lay this down, up and over. And you can keep going like this for as long as you'd like. Make your project as long as you would like. Up and over. Up and over. Up and over. Okay, now I've only done a couple of stitches here, so my project's going to be very small, but I want to show you how to finish this. So you can cut the end of your yarn, and you're going to take the loop that's here, and you're going to thread this up through and pull. Then you can take this off of the loom. Go to the next one, thread it through, and pull it up. Thread this through, pull it up, and the last one, thread it through, and take it off. Then you can pull all this tight, and there's my little piece of knitting. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's project. We'll see you next time.